While many are still debating Africa's place in global innovation, one Igbo mind is already shaping the future of science and technology in the United States of America. His name? Divine Osuji. And what he is building might just change how the world sees Igbo brilliance forever. But here is what they are not telling you.
Tonight in Ion, Chicago, for more than 7 decades, some of the city's brightest students have shown their very best at the Chicago Public Schools Student Science Fair.
At this year's exhibition, we met a young man who doesn't just love science, he lives it. And as Marie Saavedra shows us, it's all about helping people in need.
His full name is Divine Osuji, but he just goes by Divine. And people who know him say that name really hits the mark. Welcome to the 75th Annual Chicago Public Schools Science Fair and Exhibition.
I had hypothesized
At the Griffin Museum of Science and Industry.
You see? Yep.
These young people are exploring just about anything you can think of.
It's more of a rectangular prism that is portable.
From clean eating to sensor fusion and more.
I was just interested in things that could be analyzed as evidence in crime scenes.
But Divine's project is personal.
Growing up, I saw my grandparents suffer with a lot of different health complications. We were spending all of this money on these healthcare devices, yet it was also putting a horrible economic dent in our pockets. I just want to ensure that other families out there don't need to go through that same emotional suffering.
Today we're working on the Class 5 method.
So this Lane Tech senior decided to find a way people could monitor their health and not break the bank.
My focus was measuring 3 primary health vitals, which were heart rate, temperature, and blood oxygen levels. The whole point was to try and just get accurate health measuring vitals while also keeping the cost as small as possible.
This is not Divine's first rodeo. For other science fairs, he's created a prosthetic hand connected to a webcam.
It's kind of like shadow boxing in a sense, where whatever movement you made in front of that camera, the prosthetic would mimic that movement.
All of his projects center on his basic belief.
Anyone should be able to get adequate healthcare services, and that there shouldn't be a price tag on that.
What you have just watched is not just a story about success. This is a story about Igbo excellence. The Igbo excellence, the kind that refuses to be ignored, whether at home or in the diaspora. The Igbo blood continues to excel. From the heart of Igboland to the cutting edge of laboratories of America, Divine Osuji is proving what we have always been known for, that the Igbo spirit is known for excellence, that the Igbo spirit is built for innovation, resilience, and global impact. While others chase opportunities, the Igbo mind creates them. And in today's video, you will discover who Divine Osuji really is, what makes his work so groundbreaking, and why is his story still bigger than just one man. It's about a people. His story is not just about Divine Osuji. A mindset, a legacy of excellence of Ndi Igbo is what has been portrayed in just one man. And it is the same from Esther Okade to every other ingenious Igbo man.
So Esther, do you want to tell me why maths is your favourite subject?
I just love maths. All the numbers and the solving is like a mystery. Hi.
So how are you finding your degree?
It's easy.
It's easy?
Super easy.
So how quickly do you think you're going to do it?
I was thinking about 2 years.
Fantastic. So what do you want to do when you finish your degree?
Well, I'll go to my PhD, and then from there I'll start running my own business. I want to be a banker.
So you want to be running your own bank?
Yep.
And how old do you think you'll be when you do that?
16 or 15.
This is not an isolated story. It is the story of every innovative Igbo man, both in the farms in Igboland and in marketplaces, from businesses to technology, from local markets to global industries. Igbo individuals have consistently rewritten the rules. And Divine Osuji is simply the next powerful chapter in that Igbo story. But here is a more significant question. Why does Igbo excellence keep showing up at the highest levels, even in foreign lands? What is it about the Igbo? Is it their culture? Is it survival instinct? Or is it something far deeper and far more significant? Something the world is only beginning to understand? What is it about the Igbo? What you have just watched in the opening chapters of this video is more than inspiration. It is proof. It is evidence. It is written all over. The Igbo excellence. The excellence of Ndi Igbo. It is proof that no matter where you place an Igbo mind, it will rise. If you like, place it under, like the Nigerian government and Nigerian state has continued to do, to undermine the greatness of Ndi Igbo, to continue to sideline and marginalize Ndi Igbo, to continue to shut Ndi Igbo out of the corridors of power. It is not the Igbo man that is losing. Give an Igbo man the opportunity and see how this nation will be transformed. Remember how the region described as Eastern region was described in Africa. The Eastern region in Africa was the fastest developing region in the world. And I kid you not, take time to research about it. This region was managed by Ndi Igbo. Give the leadership of Nigerian state to Ndi Igbo and find out their ingenuity. See how they are making impact all over the world. It is not coincidence. It is the ingenuity of Ndi Igbo. From the days of Leja and Nsukka, the oldest iron smelting site in the world, from the days of Ugwuele in Uturu, Abia State, where you have the oldest stone tools discovered in the world. Is it from the craftsmanship described in the artworks excavated at Iwuku? The Igbo excellence has continued to show itself all over the world. The Igbo excellence is in the DNA of an Igbo man. It is not something that can be bought. It is something that they are born with. And it is something that cannot be hidden. No matter how you try to suppress it, it will rise. Thanks for watching this very wonderful video. I invite you to look through our channel. You will find so many other interesting videos you can watch. Watch them, share with your friends, and invite them to follow our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye!